we're going to go to the red dot cable here. It's a USB-C to C. We'll take it out of the power connector, and then we'll plug that USB-C cable right into the computer. Now this is wired all the way through, so it should pass data. The alternative is you can unhook the charging cable and use a regular USB-C to USB-A cable. Just unhook that center cable, put your regular USB-C cable in the bottom, in the middle here. And then we'll plug this bigger end into the computer. So this will create the data path, and when your computer is talking to the player, you'll see a circle with this sort of horizontal trident shape. That means they're passing data. Your voice code assessed at lightning speed is the subject line for the email you want to open up now. Once you open it up, you're just going to go down to download. Now, when you click this link, you may have to pause this because it's going to automatically play. And so I'm just going to pause it, and then I'm going to tap on the three dots here to the right, and there's a download option. And so I'll just click in to do that. There's lots of ways you can do this. You can right click on the button as well, do a save audio as. You just want to make sure you get your download started. Typically it takes just a couple minutes to download, but I'm going to speed this up for the video, and we're going to get to where it's completed. Now I saved it to the downloads by default, so I'm just going to find it in downloads, and I'm going to highlight it, right click, and do a copy. There's several ways to do copy. You can highlight and click copy icon on the top. Once you've got it copied, just go ahead and find your Miracle player or whatever player you have plugged into the computer, and then go ahead and right click, and you can do a paste. So you can use whatever method you like. You can do Control V, you can use the icons up here. Now you notice I'm going to put this in all the different folders because I like to have my voice code having some exposure in the playlist. So if you do all AM or PM or deep sleep, it's going to rotate through that voice code, so you get extra frequency support that's personalized to you as you're using the regular play. Now when you do voice codes on a regular basis, you're going to want to go back through and delete the old files. So just find your old voice codes that you're replacing, and you can delete them. It's the same process, just highlight and do a delete, or you can right click and delete as well. I'll speed this up for the video, but the next step is to check and see if your files are in the folders where you've copied them. So I'm just going to double check and look for my voice code. I've got it in the root directory, it's in the AM. I come up and check my PM, and then check the deep sleep program. And they're all here, so that's perfect. Final step is just to reconnect your cables. So I'll disconnect my data cable and replug in this center charging cable on the Miracle. If you did the other way, just plug your other USB-C end and back into the charger. Then we're going to look at our player. We're going to make sure that the files are there. So I can see my voice codes are in place. I'll just check the individual folders and make sure everything is there. And then when you're ready, you can tap on your voice code and start to play. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We'll be happy to help.